What's up, Booties? We are here to announce our Sweat Yourself Sexy Tour of 2019. We are coming to 6 cities across the United States this spring, doing a 90-minute cardio concert, and we want you to join us.
We are going to Phoenix, Salt Lake City, San Francisco, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, and Boston.
For this tour, we've added a brand new ticket option called the Backup Booty Experience. That means that you not only get a meet and greet with all 3 of us and a ticket to the show, you get to be the very first one in the venue, so you're the first one to pick your spot, get the right place that you want. You get a customized TFM tote bag with an autographed t-shirt in it, signed by all 3 of us, and your own TFM water bottle.
Be sure to look out for a lift code that'll get you to and from the venue with a special discount. And you can find your tickets at thefitnessmarshal.org/tour.
See you soon, Booties!
Woo!